Hey. What is the highest number you can think of?
I hate numbers.
Why do you hate numbers?
It's maths. Maths is for nerds. Nerds are lame.
Okay.
Have you ever thought about yawning?
What do you mean?
Well, like how it's contagious.
So?
So imagine if something else was the same, like sneezing.
Wow, that would be wild.
If I had 3 genie wishes, that's what I'd wish for.
What?
For sneezing to be contagious, like yawning is.
Okay, done. You have 2 wishes left.
Huh?
I'm a genie. I had to wait for you to make a wish before I could tell you.
I don't believe that.
Wish for it then.
Alright, I wish I believed you. Oh my god, you are a genie.
You have 1 wish left.
That's not fair.
Why isn't it?
I wasted 2 wishes.
That doesn't make it unfair, that just makes you a dumbass.
Well, what kind of nerd-ass rule is it that you couldn't tell me until I'd made a wish?
It makes the first wish pure. It makes the wish truly come from the heart.
It's not really what I wanted.
Isn't it?
I would have wished for money or immortality or superpowers or good looks, not sneezing.
None of those things would have brought you true happiness.
You don't know that.
Well, okay, you still have 1 wish left.
I wish I was a billionaire.
Okay.
I am?
Yes.
Oh, ill. Numbers.
See?
Well, all my wishes are gone. What do I have? Do I have now?
Bless you.